Welcome to the magical world of Graphic 45. Join me, Shari Filamahala, as I guide you down the rabbit hole into a magical journey through all of these curiouser and curiouser paper collection products. So grab your cup of tea and join me for the video. This collection is a feast for the eyes, filled with rich reds, blacks, and dazzling golds. Every sheet tells a story, from Alice's whimsical adventures to intricate floral elements. These gorgeous hearts that are perfect for any project. Look at the details of the illustrations, the white rabbit, the vintage inspired roses. These are delightful. Butterflies, that flamingo, aren't they just dreamy? And then, of course, the favorite of all of our paper collections are these cut apart journaling cards. So I just showed you the 8x8s, but you can see here are the 12x12s. They're the same images, but in a larger scale. So you can see it's great to have both for different types of projects or for layering. Don't forget our patterns and solids. These are perfect for your photo mats, your card bases, and just bringing your projects together when you need something on the more simple side. In this 12x12, you get 16 sheets, 8 patterns and solids, and 2 of each design. With the 8x8 collection pack, you get 3 of each of those 8 double-sided sheets for a total of 24 sheets. And in the 12x12 collection pack, you get 2 of each of those 8 designs for 16 gorgeous, full-sized 12x12 sheets. Let's talk about the coordinating embellishments for Curiouser and Curiouser. We have 4 different embellishments. Some are dimensional, some are great for all different surfaces, some offer a lot of different die-cut pieces, and some are ready to go and stick directly onto your projects. We've got our Curiouser and Curiouser rub-ons. These are great, of course, for your paper projects, but also they're great for home decor. You could stick it on this cake platter here, or even your wooden backgrounds. There's a lot to cut apart and use and layer. You get 2 sheets and a popsicle stick to apply those on with. But these are also great if you're looking for a mixed media look. So if you can dream it, you can do it. Our best seller with every collection, of course, is the die-cut ephemera assortment. In this one, you get 65 different pieces. To show you a few up close and personal, you've got this gorgeous butterfly, some tear apart stamps, fun little banners. How fun would this be to add to a layout? Alice, the white rabbit. So these are already die cut for you, so you don't have to pull out your machine. They're just ready to go to be added onto all your different paper crafting projects. So they're going to make all of your projects look so nice and polished without any effort at all. Curiouser and Curiouser cardstock stickers. You get 2 6x12 unique sheets in here. The chipboard tags and frames. This one is my favorite because it gives you a lot of great dimension. It gives you a different texture with this little sheen and really makes your projects pop. Here is just a sample of a few of my favorites. So look at that nice dimension you're going to get on this thick chipboard. And then that does have that nice little polished look. You can see there's a lot of fun usable pieces in here. We've got tags to be added onto your presents or projects. We've got labels with fun sentiments like dream it, and of course the frames. Are you ready to bring a little Wonderland into your crafting? You can pick up all these products on our website at g45papers.com and at your local Graphic 45 retailer. Be sure to share your projects with us by tagging Graphic 45 on Instagram and TikTok, and join our Facebook community page so you can see what other crafters are doing with our products as well. We thank you for joining us for this video. And if you're looking for more, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know every time we upload a new fun and fabulous video. We thank you for joining us. And as always, happy paper crafting.